I'm here at Woolsthorpe to work on this elm tree here today. What we'll be doing is rod bracing the base of this tree. It has two main leaders, and at their base they're both severely compressed. Now, I did cable brace this tree about 3 years ago, and there's been no sign of this bifurcated section of the base fusing together. Now we'll walk up and we'll have a look at what we're going to do. We'll be putting 4 heavy rods through this trunk, and as we can see here, this is the section that I'm concerned about, and that at some stage this may fail. And this is quite an old tree and should have fused together if it was going to by now, so we know there's a lot of movement between these two sections of the tree, and therefore we're going to insert 4 large rods through this. We're going to put 2 here and 2 down lower, plus 2 other rods just above the crotch, coming through this area here. This is the drill we'll be using, and as we get further into the tree, this drill then goes into the extension, and when we need to, that extension goes into another extension. This is one of the rods we'll be using, and this is one of the longer ones which will be going above the crotch, and we have some shorter high tensile threaded bar which are here, and these are the 4 high tensile threaded bars. They're 22mm thick, which will be inserted into the tree. So we'll make a start, and we'll report again as we get into this job. The key to doing this correctly is a couple inches at a time, because these drill bits just want to keep going. They bite in really well, and they're very easy to get jammed in the log, and we don't want that, because we don't want to lose our drill bit, and we don't want to look like idiots here. Just added the first extension to the drill. There we are here, in our first extended section. Warwick will continue the drilling now. A little bit at a time. Yeah, you like to bring it all. Just having a look at the rods we've inserted into the tree before we go any further. Now we'll be, I've marked around edge of the washers here. As you can see, a bit of texture mark there. We'll be chiselling this bit of bark out so the washer sits in there nice and neat, and then we just got to cut off the excess. Okay, we're at Woolsthorpe. We've just now completed rod bracing this elm, and we'll just have a look at everything we've done here. We've got 4 high tensile bolts going through the main trunk. Move back a bit, evenly spaced. That's the problem there, that what we thought could be a problem in the future of this tree, because this leader here, a lot of weight out there. It's a bit hard to pick up from this angle, but there's a lot of weight there. So we're holding that together. There's bolts out this side, and just above the crotch there's our 2 rods. That's where they come out here. And that's where they come out. Not exactly in line with each other, but that's what we intended, to have the bolts offset. Now that this job's completed, it's been about a year now since we've inspected the cables above, and so now Warwick is just going up to inspect the cable bracing system above. So this tree is going to be quite safe for some time, unless of course the whole thing blows out roots and all, but there's nothing we can do about that. Very hard to pick up those cables. Where are they? But they're there. Spider system, that's what that is up there.